Alright, so what I'd like to do in this video is implement a video gallery. And this could be used for tutorials or video blog posts or news or something like that. And we're going to be using a plugin, let me see, called All Video Gallery. And it's not going to be a gallery where we can upload videos from our computer, because for you to be able to do that, your server has to have FFmpeg, which is a video processor. And most of the popular shared hosting companies, they don't provide FFmpeg. Usually you need to have a dedicated server or a VPS or something like that. So we want to make this as simple as possible. So what they can do is they can link, or you, the blog owner, can link videos from YouTube or Dailymotion, any of the big video sharing sites, which is much easier anyway, because all you have to do is place the link and it should automatically grab the video title and description. So it's very simple to use. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is download the plugin, and you can get this at wordpress.org/plugins/allvideogallery, and the current version is 1.2. So what we want to do is open that zip file, and we need to put this in our plugins directory. So let me open up our htdocs, my web dev, WordPress content, plugins, and we just want to bring that over. So now we have the plugin uploaded to the site. Now we need to go to the back end. I'm going to log in here. And if we go to plugins, we should see all video gallery. So we want to click activate. Okay, so now it's activated. Now you can see it's added a tab to the interface, All Video Gallery. So here is a list of profiles, and a single profile can have multiple categories with multiple videos in each category. So we're going to create one profile, and they call it default by default, but we're going to change that to my web dev videos. And this is just, you can actually define the video size, the screen size, the volume. There's a couple of different things. I'm actually going to uncheck the show hits field. We'll show the video title, we'll show the category, we won't auto start or loop it, and then we just have a bunch of CSS styling, some color stuff. So that's good for now. Let's save that. So now we have a profile. The next thing to do is to create some categories. So I'm going to add a category, and the first category I'm going to say is general. We can leave slug blank because it'll just make it general for the slug. Thumb, this is relative to the root directory, so I actually want to create an images directory in our root. So I'm going to put that images, and then I have an image that I want to use for the thumbnail, and I believe I named it vthumb.png, and I'll include this image with the program files. We could have different thumbnails for each category, but I'm actually just going to use this one thumbnail for all of my categories. So save that. I'm going to add another category, and I'm going to call this one tutorials. Same image for the thumb. And then I'll create one more category called news. Alright, so now we have to let's go create those categories. I mean the images folder. So this is the root directory. I want to create a folder called images, and then I'm going to grab the thumbnail from your exercise, from your program files. And we're in chapter 4, video gallery, program files, and we're going to use this image here. So that should be the category thumbnail for all categories. Alright, so now what we want to do is add some videos. So let's do add new video, and there's a couple different ways you can link videos. You can do it by direct URL. If you have a video somewhere on some domain or server, you can do YouTube, RTMP streaming, Lite. I've never done any of these. I'm not sure what these ones are, but we're going to choose YouTube. And let's see, for video, let's just we'll put one of my videos. I should have a WordPress right here. Install WordPress on XAMPP. So I'm just going to grab this URL up here.
Understanding technology and being.
And I'm going to put that in the video field. So we can give this video a title, install WordPress. The thumb should be auto-generated from YouTube, so we're going to leave that. We can put in a quick description. Okay, category, this is a tutorial. I guess we could feature it. And I'm going to make sure publish is checked and save that. And I want to add a few more. I'll just grab this build a Joomla blog video. Where are we? Okay, select YouTube, video link. Let's just say setup Joomla blog. Set up a Joomla blog. Okay, and this is also a tutorial. We'll feature it as well. Now I want to grab a news video. I'm just going to put in web design news. We'll just grab this here, design trends. Grab the title. Let's put that in the news category. And let's grab one more news video. Actually, we'll put this one in general. General. Alright, so now we have our videos. We have a profile that has 3 categories, and then we have 4 videos. Now we need to display them on the website. And what I'd like to do is have a videos tab, and when we click that videos tab, it'll show us all the categories, and then we click on the category and it'll show us all the videos. And the All Videos plugin also comes with, excuse me a second, this server is really loud. It comes with a widget as well that we can have on the right side, which will show us the latest videos and all that stuff. So the first thing we want to do is create a new page. I'm going to call this page video. And what we need to put in here is a short code to whatever view of our video gallery we want to display. And we can find those if I'm going to go down to all video gallery and open it in a new tab, and then on quick start guide, this shows us various short codes that we can use. This one, for instance, will be the one we use. This will show all the categories inside a profile, a profile that we specify. Then we have options to display all the videos from a certain category, and we can even display single videos, just a video, with these different short codes. So I'm going to grab the first one here, copy that, and then paste it in, and we need to check the profile ID. If we go back to all video gallery, we can see our my web dev videos have an ID of 3, so we need to change this 1 to a 3, and we should be able to see the videos in the categories in the front end now. If we go back and reload this, oh, I'm sorry, we didn't add the menu. We need to go to Appearance, Menus, and we just got to add that video page to the menu. And I'm going to put that above the contact form. So now if we reload, we see this. We have this video link. We click on that, and we have the 3 categories, but for some reason the thumbnail isn't showing. I'm going to actually open the image in a new tab and see. So it's actually looking for the images folder inside a video folder, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. So what I'm going to do is actually use the absolute URL for the image thumbnail. So if we go back to all video gallery, and we want to go to the first category, which is general, and edit that, and I want to actually just put this localhost / mywebdev in front of the images folder. So now it's an absolute link, and I'm going to do that for all 3. Alright, so now if we go back and reload, now we have the thumbnails. So the user, well, actually let's remove the comment form. Video, edit, okay. Alright, so now the user gets to choose a category. If we click on tutorials, now you can see we have our 2 videos that we have in tutorials. If we click on that, we can watch the video. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So, and there's also Facebook, Twitter sharing buttons, HD options, full screen. So it's pretty much you can have your own little YouTube site in your WordPress blog. Alright, so the last thing I want to do is create a widget, a featured videos or a latest videos widget. So if we go back to the admin area and we click on Appearance and then Widgets, we can see we have this all video gallery widget. So if we want to drag that over, let me just see where I want to put it. I'll put it under recent comments. So here we can give it a title. We'll say latest videos. Thumbnail width, we can leave that at 75. Display count, which is how many videos. We'll keep it at 4. And we can specify a category ID if we want to just show videos from a single category. And then gallery type, we can choose latest videos, popular videos, featured, or random. I'm just going to choose latest videos. And then we can choose if we want a more button or not that will direct them to the video gallery page. So I'm going to save that. Now if we go to the front end and reload, we now have a latest videos block or widget. So that's how you set up a video gallery on WordPress. Well, one of the ways, because there's just a ton of video gallery extensions or plugins that you can use. So that's it for videos. I'll see you in the next section.